is going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the radiator on this 2008 Toyota Sienna. So the radiator has a hole right there and it was leaking. So I got the new radiator here. So the first thing that you want to do is drain the radiator if it still has some coolant. You're gonna see that drain plug at the bottom of your radiator. While you're draining your radiator, you're gonna have to take this 10 millimeters, and I believe this upper radiator support will come out. So let's go ahead and do that so we can drain the radiator, so we can go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so as you see, I have raised the vehicle. Now I'm going to show you underneath. So this is the valve right here, so you can drain the radiator. Let's go ahead and open it. Well, it didn't have that much, so let's go ahead and start taking it apart from the top. So now we got the open radiator support. We have it on the side. The next thing we're going to do is remove this bracket, so we can remove the AC condenser, and so we can remove fan assembly. So there's one fan assembly for both fans. You need a 10 millimeters, you need a screwdriver, I believe a 12. Here we go. Okay, so we just removed the radiator fan assembly. It has 4 bolts, one on each corner. Now, so here, these are stripped because they are very rusted. So what I'm thinking is, I don't want to bend it, but if I have to, then I'm gonna have to bend it a little bit in order the radiator so it can move to the side. So let's go ahead and do that. And so I disconnected this transmission hoses from here. I believe we are gonna have to use this hose on the new radiator. So the only thing we're missing are the 2 main radiator hoses. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's see how we're gonna. I think I'm just gonna bend it a little bit. Here we go. Okay, so you'll have one of these brackets on the bottom, which is holding the radiator, to 12 millimeters on each side. Okay guys, so I got the radiator out now. So I got it upside down, but this is the bracket on the bottom, and this bolt, you know, this whole thing is turning, so I guess I'm gonna have to, I don't know, so I have to figure it out, and that's pretty much it. And I still have to take this piece of hose so we can put on the new one. Okay guys, so I'm running out of battery, and so I just want to let you know, so the easiest way is to remove these two bolts from this bracket, the bracket on the bottom, and it will be a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back. I already got the radiator hose attached, and I'm gonna go ahead and do everything else. Alright guys, well, there you have it. Now we gotta put the grill, and we're done. Well, hope you like this video. I didn't get into too much details, but I hope it can help some of you. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next video.